This is a video on how to meditate for beginners. Please click the like button below to boost the video's algorithm and help out more people by showing them my video. Hello, in this video I'll be going through on what are the benefits of meditation, where to meditate, what to do with your body when you meditate, how do you meditate, and how long and frequent to meditate for. The benefits of meditation include reduce stress, improve memory, increase attention, enhance willpower, better sleep, less pain, lower blood pressure, less anxiety, less depression, and greater compassion. You can meditate anywhere. You can meditate on your bed, sitting on a chair, or on the floor. All of these options are appropriate, but the most optimal one would be to meditate on the floor, as it is the most comfortable position without you casually falling asleep like what you may do meditating on your bed. When you are sitting on the floor to meditate, sit up with your back straight and one leg directly above the other. You can also sit crisscross with legs on top of each other, but the former method with the leg straightened out allows the blood to flow better. Your eyes should be closed if you are trying to focus on something like your breath. Your arms should be resting on your thighs with hands on top of each other or near your knees. Your head should be facing forward. You could sit with your back supported by a wall or something else if you usually end up feeling tired from sitting straight. So how do you meditate? Start by setting a timer on how long you want to meditate for. The usual recommendation for beginners would be 5 minutes and slowly increment it if you have the time. Sit down and practice the above tips on what to do with your body when you meditate. Focus on your breath and notice how air moves through your nostril. Notice the transition between inhaling and exhaling. You will soon find yourself in deep thought with lots of ruminating thoughts going through your brain. Observe them and pass no judgment and just let your thoughts flow. An article by Harvard University recommended 2 sessions of 20 minutes meditation per day. You could conduct a session of 20 minutes of meditation in the morning to start off your day fresh, and one at night to help you sleep better. A bonus of this video would be the studies in the description below that show how meditation has helped people. In my next few videos, I'll be talking about how to reduce stress and increase willpower. Stay tuned if you'd like to find out more tips that have the optimal duration and of great value to you. Now we have come to the end of this video. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.